Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to talk about how to maintain your self-esteem. I want to tell you something about maintaining your self-esteem, and I would like to explain this by means of a simple diagram. So here's the diagram. In this diagram, you can see that I have drawn two wave-like lines. Number one, it represents the situations, the circumstances and experiences of our life. And the second line that I have drawn represents our self-esteem. Now, for most people, self-esteem keeps going up and down, just like a roller coaster ride. And one moment they feel very great, and the second moment they feel that they are down in the pits. When people have money in the pocket, their self-esteem goes up, and when there is no money, self-esteem goes down. When somebody appreciates them, their self-esteem goes up, and when nobody appreciates, their self-esteem goes down. If they get a promotion, their self-esteem goes up. If they don't get a promotion, self-esteem goes down. If it's a student, if they get good marks, self-esteem goes up, and if they get poor marks, self-esteem goes down. So for most people, self-esteem keeps going up and down, and if your self-esteem keeps going up and down, you can never be at peace, you cannot be satisfied, you cannot be happy. So see your self-esteem as a straight line. Self-esteem is always constant. What is self-esteem? Self-esteem is your value. And the value of a person never changes, no matter what the situation, no matter what the circumstances, and no matter what experiences you experience in life. So self-esteem is a constant. It doesn't change according to situations and circumstances. Always remember that. And whenever you feel low in self-esteem, remember that my value as a person is always constant. And let me give you a very good affirmation which you can repeat to yourself every single day. And the affirmation is, no matter what others say and do, I am still a worthwhile person. No matter what others say and do, I am still a worthwhile person. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Until then, take care.